Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax. On the Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would replace the brake light. It's the tail end brake. So we're going to go over how you replace that brake light. So to replace the brake light, first you will need to pop your hatch and raise that up. And then we have access to be able to pop these little covers off, undo two Phillips screws that are right here. Then once those are loosened and removed, you'll be able to pull with a little bit of pressure, put your fingers in here or a plastic pry bar and be able to pull, get some pressure on there, and then with the other hand be able to pull and it'll move out. It can be pretty tight with the way it's clipped in there, which is just these clips. Then you just spin the housing around and be able to, you're going to spin that a quarter turn to the left to loosen and to remove it, and then be able to pop this light element out, and then we would get a new one. This light element is also a 7443, and so you just get a new 7443 and put that back in there and put the new one in, lining up the tab, sliding it in the groove and snapping it into place. And then again we have two larger and two smaller indents, and that way we can line it up to get it into the right orientation. And then turn that a quarter turn to the right to tighten it into place. And then you'll be able to flip this housing around and be able to line up those two tabs. And you press it and it'll snap and lock into place, and then put your two screws back in, tighten those up and put the little covers on, and so that's how you would replace your brake light. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.